Assalamu alaikum students, good morning. Today we shall read out unit number 2, Chinese Cinderella. Open your books at page number 22. Let's start. Before you read, you have to think. Do you think it is important for a child to belong to a family? What are the things that you do with your family and what do you learn from your family? So these are the three questions that you must keep in your mind. That is it important for a child to belong to a family? What do the child learn from the family? And what do you do with your family? Okay, let's read out. At the time of my birth, big sister was 6.5 years old. My three brothers were 5, 4, and 3. They blamed means declared that someone is responsible for a fault. They blamed me for causing Mama's death and never forgave me. So the girl is telling about her family members and also about claiming that their family think about her that she is responsible for the death of her mother. A year later, father remarried. Remarried means marry again. Our stepmother, whom we called Naing, was a 17-year-old Eurasian beauty, 14 years his junior. So the girl is telling about her father who has remarried again. And the name of her stepmother was Naing. Naing is actually a Chinese term for a mother. So she is telling about her mother who was 17 years old when she married to her father, and she was a Eurasian beauty. Eurasian beauty means someone beautiful having beautiful features of both Asian and European communities. So her stepmother was a Eurasian beauty and she was about 14 years junior than her father. Father always introduced her to his friends as his French wife, though she was actually half French and half Chinese. So her stepmother was half French and half Chinese. Actually means really. Besides Chinese, she spoke French and English. The girl is telling about her mother, especially stepmother, who spoke French and English. She was almost as tall as father, stood very straight, and dressed only in French clothes, many of which came from Paris. Her thick wavy black hair never had a curl out of place. Now, the writer is using some adjectives to describe the beauty of the girl, as he has chosen thick wavy black hair. So he has chosen three adjectives to describe the hair of the girl. Adjectives are the describing words that describes noun. Okay. Adjectives are describing words, they describe noun. So in this paragraph, the writer is going to write down or tell about the beauty of the girl using different adjectives. Her large dark brown eyes were faint. Faint means having some ornamental border with long thick lashes. She wore heavy makeup, expensive French perfume, and many diamonds and pearls. It was grandmother Nai Nai who told us to call her Naing and other Chinese term for mother. Okay, understood? सो इस स्टोरी में सारा जो है वो गर्ल अपनी स्टेप मदर के बारे में इन्फॉर्म कर रही है, बट शी थिंक ऑल्सो कि उसके जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे उसको अपनी मदर की डेथ का ब्लेम करते थे, क्लेम करते थे, वही उसको फॉल्टी समझते थे कि इट वाज द गर्ल हु इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डेथ ऑफ देयर मदर. सो 1 year आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हर मदर, आफ्टर 1 year उसके जो फादर हैं वो रीमैरी कर लेते हैं, दोबारा से शादी कर लेते हैं, एंड देन the girl to whom her father remarried again was having some Eurasian beauty. उसमें दो कंट्रीज़ यानी यूरोपियन और एशियन दोनों कम्युनिटीज़ की जो ब्यूटी थी वो उस गर्ल में थी. एंड शी वॉज अबाउट 14 years जूनियर. उसके फादर से 14 years वो जूनियर थी. एंड देन द राइटर इज़ ट्राइंग टू टेल अस अबाउट द beauty of the girl using different adjectives for her. Okay, understood everyone?